कृष्ण कृष्ण भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नामनी। गुरु महाराज की जय। I was just thinking whole week about Guru Maharaj Bhajan. Krishna Namanand Prabhuji mentioned, यदि प्रभुपाद न होते तबे की कोहितो. So just I was reflecting whole week. Every day I came to temple. So many events were there. And what Guru Maharaj wrote, I was just thinking through his view. He said, if Prabhupada was not there, how we would have got this Harina, right? This Dham. Because of Srila Prabhupada, we got this, right? And just so many examples, how glorious departures of devotees because of Srila Prabhupada movement, because continuously we are in that routine from morning, Mangal Arti to night also, reading Krishna book, chanting, serving the Lord, Guru Maharaj, all Gurus. Here I was just looking at all these pictures. One time I remember I was watching the video. His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj, he got award and he wanted to dedicate to Guru Maharaj. He went and that picture I think there. So much like affection, love, and Guru Maharaj is so compassionate, right? If we have little sickness, even headache or hand is paining, we feel, oh, so much, I cannot do anything, I cannot come for the service. And this Guru Maharaj, after transplantation, he comes from the hospital, he comes and he gives the lecture. For what? Giving mercy, showering, because he is following his Guru's instructions. And he wrote that, यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे की होइतो ये जीवन बाही देखी से. If we think in our life also, if Prabhupada would not be there, how our life would be, right? Just analyze that, our life before coming to ISKCON and after coming ISKCON. So much change, right? We used to go to restaurant, we were eating unnecessary things, right? Going to parties, but after Prabhupada, this moment we got, everything changed. We are eating, we are relishing more than what we were doing earlier, right? Prasad, and that prasad is making so much difference in our life. We used to go to party, but now always, every moment we have satsang. Zoom classes or in person, always we are having satsang. We are relishing more nectar, right? And that he wrote about Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhupada started Srimad Bhagavatam, early morning Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. Everybody has Bhagavad Gita at home. How many people know? People don't know about Bhagavad Gita. They know only, oh, in the court we have to keep our hand and then jhoot nahi bolna hai, that's all, right? People don't know about Bhagavad Gita because of Srila Prabhupada. What he was thinking, I was just reflecting how Guru Maharaj wrote that poem, Yadi Prabhupada na hoti tabe. And he was very scholar and from very rich family, but he came in contact with Srila Prabhupada and his life changed, right? Raghunath Das Goswami also, so rich person, right? Aristocratic family, but he also changed his life because of association of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Like that, because of Srila Prabhupada, our Guru Maharaj life totally changed. And I was just thinking, just meditating, even he had been like billionaire, trillionaire, and this physical condition if he had, family member also cannot stay 24/7 with the patient. But Guru Maharaj always surrounded with the disciples, right? 24/7. And they ask, oh Maharaj, no Guru Maharaj, you cannot eat this. So much taking care, right? And he is like innocent. Last year also, cake cutting, and somebody comes to help me. Hey, I can do myself like a little child, right? So innocent. And he is so compassionate. In Amarendra Prabhu's class, he was mentioning he was very little, 4-5 years. That time he went and somebody had stomach pain. Guru Maharaj gave his comfortable car to those devotees, and he went in the little car. That much compassion, because, and somebody asked, how come you just give your car, your comfort? He said, my Guru Maharaj said, always serve devotee. And he always says, Jare dekho tare ko Krishna Upadesh. He said, everybody should preach. Why he was saying, I was just thinking, how can everybody can preach? He wants us to read, go to the scripture, and whatever we are gaining, earning, acquiring knowledge, we have to distribute to others so that everybody will get mercy. And that is real Srila Prabhupada mission, and that we should understand. It's not only this Guru Maharaj, all gurus, how much dedication, right? And because of this poem, I was just reflecting, we are going through so many things, right, in this life. We are preparing for death, and we are seeing the glorious departure of devotees. Recently, Veenapani Mataji used to help in garland service. Wherever Vyas Puja there, she was bringing flowers also and making garland. I was, since morning, I was just remembering her, how we were making garland. And she was talking about Guru Maharaj. I was also relishing that pastimes of Guru Maharaj. So, because of this, I am just thinking through his brain, how he was thinking about his Guru, Srila Prabhupada, and we got this treasure, priceless treasure. So we should be very sincere. It's not like, we came, dance, eat, chant, right? That's all. No, we have to implement. Navanda Prabhuji always said, information has to be transformation. So that is most important in our life. And our Guru Maharaj is the example for everyone. At this physical condition also, he is going out and giving mercy. Last time, I think 2 years back, he came to Brooklyn Temple. So much crowd was there. And I was thinking, I don't know, I can get the mercy of that stick, like brush, Jagannath brush. And I was just praying, and my phone fell down, and I just went to pick up the phone, and Guru Maharaj wheelchair just came, and he called me, come for this mercy. And that eye contact with Guru Maharaj, that I will never forget. See, he is so merciful, very merciful. And that video, that water also he was taking. But I told Satyareddy Mataji also, Maharaj with that half pant one time, and he was taking deep bath in the water. So beautiful. Whatever we talk about Guru Maharaj, that relish our heart so much. So we should at least one quality we should take, like from Guru Maharaj, and make our life happy, and not only our life, everybody's life happy, whole world. That is Srila Prabhupada moment. So thank you so much, Guru Maharaj, and always keep me, my family, in the service of devotees, Das, and always just glorify you.